Go for it. Jump. Not funny. What do you mean? Would you be mad if I dragged you in?
That's a different girl. Well, no, her hair was blonder then, basically, yeah.
What do you got? Hi, so beautiful.
St. John, 5 weeks.
A filter? No filter?
Filter or no filter?
Ka-filter fish?
So that goes underwater?
Yeah.
Wait, does that have like a fishbowl lens? Oh
does.
gosh, you can see myself in it too.
I know. Look at yourself.
What are you? Spiked tea.
Spiked tea.
This is like a marathon. You're a marathon drinker. Look, he's a marathon drinker. Instead of a running number.
Yes.
First place.
What kiwi your favorite?
Shoot the ball. Shoot the rock. Shoot the rock. Oh, close. Another try. Try one more. One more.
Six. You won it. She won.
No.
Yes. Swoosh. High five. All right.
It's cream cheese.
Hey, Bobo. What you eating? Mmm. Cheese.
Like that.
It's a camera.
Really?
Oh, look at Rocket.
All right, last one. All right, everybody, last one. Next one.
This is the real finale. It's by my 8th finale. It's 8th finale.
All right. Summer's over.